Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C25Y, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know. And once I lock the device, you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So to get started, we'll want to hold power key and then slide down to power it off. Give it a second for the phone to actually shut down. And once it has, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So both of those keys right here. And you want to hold both of those keys till you see the REALME logo, at which point you will let go of only the power key. Once you see the Android with no command, you can let go. And now to get past this, we need to hold power key and press volume up once, and we should be in recovery mode. And in this mode, we'll need to use volume keys to navigate up and down. And you want to use those in order to select wipe data factory reset. There we go. And once it's selected, confirm it with power key. Select now factory data reset again. Give it a second. As you can see at the bottom, it gives us a message formatting data, and next thing we should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now option will be selected by default. So all you will need to do from there is press power key once again to initiate the reboot. Okay, there we go. So power key. And now we wait for the device to finish up the factory reset, which might take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Once it has finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.